Welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos, and today we will be talking about side hustles you can start today. So come right in. First, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and let's jump right into it. Click the button and let's jump right into it. We're going to be talking about side hustles that you can start today and start making money, big money. Because you know, with the pandemic and with everything has been going on, you definitely need side hustles. You never, ever want to get caught with one bag. I have a 19-year-old son. That's the first thing he say, bag. So come on in, let's get into it and start on these side hustles so that you can make more money, and more money. So ladies and gents, if you haven't already, it's time to develop up a side hustle. A side hustle is basically another money bag, another bag to have. And these days, you definitely need more than just one bag. One great side hustle, and we talk about it on this video, one great side hustle is wholesaling. I've always said that wholesaling is an entry level into real estate investing. But the side hustle of wholesaling actually can be a great bag. You can make anywhere from $5,000 to $35,000 wholesaling. The average is about $5,000 to $6,000. So wholesaling properties is a great side hustle. Easy to start. You can start with $500 and get going. Wholesaling. Shopify. Shopify is a great side hustle, selling products online. Find out what you love. Start making money in what you love. If you got some knowledge or you got something that you can create, start making money off of it. Something you seem to buy all the time and you've learned the ins and outs of it. Make money off of it. Let's get this hustle. Loan signing agent. Be a loan signing agent. A notary. Start an agent as that. That's a great hustle. Travel agent. Great hustle. Another good one is a home inspector. Check into it. That's a great hustle. You can start a lead generation site. Great hustle. Another great hustle that you never thought about, a social media manager. Sell on Amazon or eBay. That's a good one. Start with affiliate marketing. A lot of people are making great money with affiliate marketing. Check that out. A lot of businesses have started since the pandemic and a lot of side hustles have started. So how about bookkeeping? Do some accounting work. Start your bookkeeping hustle for business owners. Start an online drop shipping business. I think that's a great hustle. There is a lot of online businesses that you can just make money off of. You can just have 3 online businesses and start making $20,000 to $30,000 a year. Start small, and then next thing you know, you're making $40,000 and build that thing, because sometimes your side hustle can be your actual hustle, your main thing, because there's so much that can go on. So if one thing goes down, have a second thing. I always say, and actually a wise man would say, you need at least 5 side hustles just to say you're above water. You need 7 to succeed, and the smart has at least 8. So I'm going to go over several, and you take time out and you dig that out and you research that, because remember, I said to become a better you need to perfect your craft and you need to educate yourself. So here again, these side hustles are ideas that you can hit, go into and say, let me check it out. Let me try it. Let me try. With so many things changing and people going through so much during the pandemic, you may even want to start a credit repair, because a lot of people are really trying to get back on their feet. They're going to be looking at different things to make themselves better and do extra stuff to overcome this pandemic. Start a credit repair business. That's a great side hustle. Maybe tutoring. Tutoring is a good one. So if you have the skills of teaching, you like to teach, but the classroom is out, start a tutoring. You can actually tutor online and make money. Another way to make money. If you're pretty good in numbers, tax return, start a tax business, a tax service business. That's easy and simple too. I heard it's like less than $5,000 to get into. I actually had an opportunity to do it myself and decided it's just too much on my plate at the time. But that's a good side hustle, and it's seasonal, but a lot of seasonal things are really good. You can make anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 with a tax service business as a side hustle. I can recall when the season of Christmas time, and I was talking to the young man that where we get our tree from, and he was like, well, he said he made $90,000 just selling Christmas trees for that year. That's 4 months. So in 4 months, he made $90,000 coming out there after he got off work, selling Christmas trees, a seasonal thing. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. You can also think about vending. Think about vending machines. Start up using vending machines. A lot of these side hustles I just mentioned are actually under $3,000 to start. And to spend or sacrifice $3,000 to make a possible $30,000, I mean, you can't beat that. Again, like I said before, you must change your mindset, and you got to have that grinding mindset. And I tell you, if you don't have at least 3 hustles, at least 3 side hustles, you're going to be in trouble. It doesn't matter if you're 25, 35, or 55. You definitely need to think about one of these side hustles and get started. It will change your life. You will add that income. You will become a better you. You will be on your way to riches. And if you're only making 70, 80,000 and that's not enough for you, then find a way to make another 70, 80,000 and doing something else that you like and that you love, and that's going to make a difference. I have about 30, 40 more ideas of how to have extra money, these side hustles. Hopefully that has helped. Hopefully I've given you some tips and tools to say, okay, look, that's a good idea. Let me research it out to see how I can get started. And hopefully you'll start on one. So if I've helped you, or if this video was something that you like, please smash the like button. Matter of fact, let me know in the comments which hustle you're going to pick up and when. Get started. That's the key thing. Get started. Once you get that mind going and the adrenaline flowing about, you're going to do it, you're going to do it, you're going to do it, do it. Put a date on it and get started, because these are side hustles that you can start right now and start making money, extra money, so you can have more money and more money and more money. So again, there are so many more. You have the trucking business, you have YouTube, you have ebooks. There's so many more. And if you'd like to hear more, and if you just need more ideas, comment in the section below. Comment and say, hey, Rena MoMoney, can you tell me about a few more? Can you even give me some insight on how to get started? I can possibly do that. Basically, I wanted to just let you know about a few side hustles that you can start now and today, just to get your mind going, get you going here. And like this video if I've helped you at all in any way. If I've helped you at all in any way and you like this video, click on like. It helps me out and it helps support my channel. Okay, thank you again. Hope this helped. Hope you got something out of it. Rena MoMoney.